Well, hello there! In this video I want to show you how to get some epic anamorphic lens flares right in Premiere Pro. It's quite easy, so let's dive into it. Right now I'm in Premiere Pro and step 1 is upload your footage in Premiere Pro. First we're gonna start with making a adjustment layer, and it's quite easy. Left click, new item, adjustment layer. Press OK and here we have a adjustment layer. We're gonna add our first effect and it's called Gaussian Blur. Put the blurriness around 40 or something. It's just personal preference and depends on your footage. And blur dimension, put it on horizontal. And that's it for the first thing. Now we're gonna add Lumetri color. Lumetri color for me, it's here on the side panel. If you don't have that, don't worry. Go to the effects and type in Lumetri color, and underneath effects you can find Lumetri color. For Lumetri color we're gonna dive into the ASL secondary and press this one and select the brightest point of your image. Check this checkbox and put it on color black, and as you can see, you see nothing. Make sure Lumetri color is on top, and here we can see some flares. Now we just gotta boost them, so drag this one out a little bit, something like this. I can see the flare. Now just gotta boost up the blurriness until it becomes a flare, and as you can see, voila, we have a lovely flare. Maybe in your footage you have some parts where flares start to appear and you don't want it. You can change it with these settings. So maybe lower the black, lower the white maybe. For me, I don't want to lower the white because it's... But play around with these till you get like the look what you want. Make sure you press on adjustment layer and go to the blend mode and put it to screen. And as you can see, we have some flares, also in places where we don't want the flares. Sometimes you don't have the correct color with a pinpoint and you have a lot of flares. Just select a brighter area or a better area with the color what you want with a pinpoint, and now you can see we have a nice looking flare. And to add some coolness to it, search the tint effect and apply it to your adjustment layer. And for me the color is blue, so I will select a blue color, and as you can see, maybe a little bit brighter, but you can change the color here into the color what you want. And if you play it right now, you can see we have a cool looking lens flare and you don't have to animate anything, so that's quite nice. And if you want to change stuff, just play around with the settings. Like here in Gaussian Blur we can make the lens flare very wide. So now you have like a sick anamorphic lens flare. Yeah, it's that easy. And because you're working with an adjustment layer, you can say like drag the adjustment layer out, make a cut for the different scene. And oh no, what happened? We don't have a lens flare. Well, let's fix it. It's quite easy. We go to the ASL secondary for the other shot and select the color, and as you can see you have the lens flare, and now you can adjust everything to your liking. So I want to make the lens flare small like this. And the nice thing about this method is it's not that hard for your computer, so you can add a lot of different effects to make your shot look good and don't have to worry about the processing of your computer. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I will answer them. And I hope you enjoy this type of content. If you do, make sure to subscribe here below, and I will see you guys in a different video. Bye!